Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. It is Christmas Eve. We're going to be doing a Christmas vlog. We're going to be filming a little bit of what we do today because we have some things that we do later at night in our traditions. And then we're going to film tomorrow, Christmas Day. Are you excited for Christmas? Are you excited for Christmas?
Yes, I am. But it's already Christmas. Yeah, it's Christmas Eve.
It's your dress. Go show Daddy. Go show Daddy your dress.
Oh, beautiful, Haven. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful you are. Oh yeah. Oh, so
the
pretty.
twirl. Let's open our Christmas jammies. First is for Becca.
Yes.
And this one with the cute little houses is for Haven. Do you need help?
I don't need help. It's okay, I can do it.
Okay, you can do it. What is it?
It's what I bought.
A box?
What's inside of this present? Haven't got those ones. I got it.
What ones do you have?
I have one like Haven.
You guys are twinners! Ah! Get your Morning guys and Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas morning. I'm so excited. I have to be quiet because the kids are still asleep. We're gonna go and wake them up though and get their reactions. We laid out cookies last night and got a couple clips from last night, Christmas Eve, that I'll insert here before we go and wake up Beckham and Haven. Beckham, Santa came to our house.
Santa came to our house. Dad, wake up. Santa came to our house.
What?
Santa came to our house.
Santa came to the house.
Uh-huh.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go.
Get up.
He ate the cookies.
She drank all the milk.
What, he left a little letter. Beckham and Haven, thank you for the yummy cookies and milk. Me and my reindeer loved them.
Look! Toys! Look! Santa got me a dinosaur egg.
What is it?
Do you hear that inside?
I do. I hear it.
Let's open it up. Santa got me this. What was Santa got for Haven? It's a little cute reindeer. Is that so cute?
Wait, we need to wake up Haven.
I think we gotta go potty first.
Oh, let's go potty. Say, I'm gonna come back for you, toys.
Okay, come back for you, toys.
Haven's awake. Let's go get her.
Maybe we will give her a reindeer.
Wait, hold on.
Where's the sleigh?
I don't know. Maybe he left. He was so fast. Let's go open our presents.
Let's go open our presents.
Do you want to get first? That one? Okay, let's see what's in it. Like that. Ooh, Santa wrapped it with a cute bow. That's so nice. Go get a gift, Haven. Can you go pick out a present?
Santa just bring us presents.
Can you bring her one of the blue presents, Becca?
That big blue one?
Yeah.
Okay.
The blue one's for Haven.
I will bring that.
What did Santa get you, Haven?
Got her a baby.
Haven, a baby.
Wow, I got a Ryan's World.
Whoa.
Something else in here.
How did Santa know that you watched Ryan's World?
It's another Ryan's World.
Oh my goodness.
I got 2 Ryan's World.
That is
Wow,
so
thanks
cool.
Santa. What did Santa get you?
This.
Dino tattoos. What else did he get you?
Oh, nothing. She got me some undies.
Oh, so cute. Say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Maybe while we're waiting for Daddy, we can look in our stockings. Okay, so this stocking is for Becca.
Okay.
Look what Santa got you. What did he get you? A candy cane and a reindeer. And some chocolate.
She got me this chocolate.
Oh,
She got this.
oh my goodness, Haven.
Ariel! Just wanted to show that I got a tripod. Woohoo!
But Santa got me.
No, we got you that.
Mommy and Daddy got you that. What is it, honey?
Honey, look at this.
Yeah, Mom.
You got me a projector, baby. Thank you so much.
Guys, look at Mama. You know what you have to say? You have to say, thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Oh, you have your baby. Everyone say hi.
What is it, Haven? Look. What is it?
I didn't see it. What is it? Oh my gosh. Is it a little hydro flask? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, she's trying to drink it already.
Show your mom.
Beckham, that's so cute. Beckham's trying to say thank you to you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want it.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wait, Beckham, before you open these, can you go get us to Trevor? And I was like expecting it.
Wow, dynamite.
What did you get? What did you get? A card? We just finished up at Jace's parents' house. Did you have fun, honey?
Of course I
Did you get some fun gifts?
did. Of course I did, honey.
Jace got this really cool ping pong shooter. I don't know what it's called. A ping pong ball dispenser that like shoots the ping pong balls.
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing that you got for Christmas?
A dinosaur egg.
The dinosaur egg that Santa got you? Beckham peed his pants, so that's why I'm only showing the top half of him because he's butt naked in his seat. We have a dinner at 6 with my family and then another dinner back to back with Jace's family at 7:30. And then we're just gonna chill, mostly. And hopefully watch a Christmas movie.
Let's watch Toy Story.
Toy Story? That's not a Christmas movie. Okay, this is so close to my face, but it's so far away. You feel me? Does that make sense? We're ending our night off by watching a movie. Say goodnight. There's Becca. Say goodnight.
Good night.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks for watching our Christmas morning routine / vlog. I'm just doing some editing on a new laptop that I got, which you guys will see in our next video. Make sure you subscribe and push the bell so you're notified when we post. Come do the outro.
Santa already come to our house.
Yeah, he did.
And she ate all the cookies.
Yeah, and you ate all the chocolate. Subscribe to our channel and go follow us on TikTok and Instagram to see more cute content. We love you. Merry Christmas. Bye.
We love you. Merry Christmas. Bye.
Bye. Oh my gosh, look at that chocolate. Go wash your hands.